We took this old London terrace and through a low carbon deep retrofit turned it into a high performance house.
It's critical that we make the country's homes more energy efficient and create warm, healthy, affordable homes, and ideally meet the government's net zero target sooner than 2050.
We very carefully planned the daylight, interrogated the sections to play with headroom and space and height, so that the experience of living in the house is enhanced. And I guess enhanced because it's beautiful. A deep retrofit is actually making changes to the whole building. It basically goes back to the structure of the building, so back to the stud work or back to the brick, and then upgrades from there.
Historic homes are often uninsulated and drafty. They're very expensive to heat. A sustainable retrofit will achieve very low operational costs over the time. So it'll help the client really make an upfront investment, but then have a future benefit, a longer term benefit by saving money on those bills.
To come and see the construction site at this point is really exciting, because you're starting to get a sense of the rooms. Reusing materials from site is an obvious way of making the construction both sustainable and economic. All the timber studs that were in good condition, we used them to strengthen the timber walls that we were keeping. And then the roof tiles that were taken off when we built the loft were kept in the scaffolding and then reused.
Nice. Oh, I like that smile.
Insulation works a bit like a big woolly jumper, and on a cold day, air blows through that jumper just as it would blow through a building. So one of the key things that we've done on this project is we've made the building more airtight than building regulations stipulate. It's certainly going to be the way that buildings are expected to perform in the future. In this kind of a situation, you need to still bring fresh air into the building. So by introducing a mechanical system to bring in the fresh air, the added benefit is that you can make sure the air is filtered to provide really great indoor air quality.
Health starts at home, and I think that if your home is full of daylight, got light fixtures that dim to warm in the evening, so you support your circadian rhythms, then you have better sleep. If you use low toxin materials, then the air that you breathe is healthier. Natural patterns, natural texture, all of that is part of forming a more comfortable and natural home. The light is so beautiful in here when the sun's out, isn't it?
I think it felt like a home very quickly. It's a completely different space due to the roof shape and the roof lights as well.
No, I think it's stunning the way the soft morning sun just still washes down the walls. What's your favorite part of the house?
It's this corner right here. We do drink coffee there almost every day.
That's nice, that's nice, that's nice.
Yeah.
That makes me happy.
Because in the day we get really nice, beautiful light streaming down to the first floor as well.
It's always so nice to come into a loft, which was nothing before.
Yeah.
And then suddenly you've just got this huge, big master bedroom.
So we get the morning sun through here and then the evening sun through these ones. Above us and on the front there are solar panels as well.
So you can just lie in bed thinking about all the energy you're producing.
Exactly.
So if your home is EPC-B or above, you can get a discounted interest rate on your mortgage. The air source heat pump and underfloor heating became a package of work that qualified for a VAT reduction and was zero rated. So there are different ways of financing the sustainable visions that people have for their homes, and we can help along that journey.
We took this old London terrace, basically turned it into a high-performance house. And houses do perform. They perform in terms of energy use, comfort. You will feel the difference if you are living in a high-performance home.